Hey guys, Trevor here. Just a quick video to let you know that my business partner, Max, who also launches with James Renauf from time to time, is launching with James Renauf at the moment. They've got a new program out, which is going to teach you how you can get free crypto doing stuff that you normally do. Just going to play a quick message that Max sent me earlier on today. Listen to this.
For the product, about the product, it's just really the easiest and fastest way to make free crypto online. You know, Bitcoin has recently hit 100K. Crypto goes through the roof and blah, 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 that kind of stuff. And now you can make money with crypto without having to invest a single cent, without risk, by just performing super simple tasks that you're most likely already doing anyway. Things like walking, answering questions, sharing your internet, like super easy stuff. Nothing to learn, no risk, just free crypto.
So there you can see it's really simple. Anyone can do this. It doesn't take any investment. That's what I like as well. And of course, I've got some juicy bonuses for you. So crypto is the sort of thing that you can get a few bits of crypto, right? And all of a sudden it goes through the roof and your quid's in. The thing about this is that it's very hands off and it's passive. You know, you're doing stuff that you're probably already doing anyway. And it's dead easy. Anyone can do it. Doesn't matter. No experience. If you've never done anything like it before, it doesn't matter. So go and grab this now and you'll get those bonuses from me as well and start building that crypto passively in the background. I'll speak to you soon. You take care. All the best.